Isolation.
Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Juana.
Hola, we met in New Zealand 1 year ago. Since then, we are sailing and cycling together. Come and join us.
Hello, so welcome back to the channel. We're here in Shaftesbury in the southwest of England and we're staying in our friend Caroline's garden cabin. We're not allowed to go outside into public spaces and we're not allowed to be within 2 metres of anyone. Caroline has filled it with amazing things that we've been missing while we've been away, so we've got chocolate and fruit and veg and flowers and wine, and she's also kindly given us a NHS information sheet about coronavirus. We've got some butter, some crumpets, some bread and cheese and olive oil and all the things that we've been missing. It's amazing. We're really super happy to be here. We're going to be here for today and tomorrow, and then we're going to move into a house that's going to be much nicer and more comfortable, a bit more space. Our first breakfast with homemade marmalade and Cornish butter. Olive oil! Mmm! Isn't so bad after all.
Look like we go for a big trip. We change the house and spend there 1 week, 2 weeks, no?
Yeah.
Wow!
The last big hill.
Yeah, let's enjoy the hill.
I put Caron in the basket
See?
because it's typical English, I think. In Spain, we don't do these things. But here they put carrot in the night time, in the bucket, in the basket. And then, in the night time, they have the rabbit can, they take the carrot and they eat chocolate. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So we have the carrots, carrots, carrots. And then we see tomorrow. The flippity floppity rabbit, floppity floppity rabbit, floppity floppity rabbit, floppity floppity rabbit.
Wow!
The rabbit came.
Hola!
We've been in quarantine for a week, or just over a week, and now we are allowed outside on our bicycles.
Yes. In England, in lockdown, you can go to do a sport, to take the dog out.
But we don't have a dog.
So
But we have our beautiful bicycles.
waiting for
And
us.
they're waiting, they're desperate to go outside. They've been very patient. So let's go.
Yes, let's go and see around Shaftesbury. Beautiful, very green, beautiful houses, beautiful people.
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
We see you. See you soon. Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto.